Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about face wash and the right way to wash your face. मैं बहुत दिन से सोच रही थी that I want to make a video on this topic, लेकिन initially मुझे time नहीं मिल पाया तो वो it kept getting delayed. And later I decided to make this video. Then I found a new technique to wash your face, and I wanted to sort of evaluate both and see which one's better so that I can share with you. So I'll be sharing two techniques with you, and it's been a couple of weeks that I have been doing this technique on my face. I feel both the techniques are equally good. However, I'm gonna tell you which one is my preferred favorite towards the end of the video. So without delaying further, let's get into the topic. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. I do a lot of videos on skincare, hair care, beauty, planning to do a lot of other videos around lifestyle, so make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I share a lot of daily updates there, small things that I do in life that can benefit you in many ways, certain tricks, hacks, short makeup videos, quick hacks to get ready for work. Also guys, I may take a while to reply to you on YouTube, but I am very prompt in replies on Instagram. So it would be great if you guys have any questions. You can leave it down in the comment section under the video, or if you want an instant answer, you can DM me on my page. The Instagram handle is right here for you, and I will be linking it down in the description box below, so I'll see you there. दोनों टेक्निक्स जो मैं आपको बताऊंगी बहुत ही अच्छे से दे हैव वर्क फॉर मी, और मैंने बहुत चेंज नोटिस किया है. मैं जिस तरह से अपना फेस वॉश पहले करती थी और अब इस रूटीन को एक्चुअली ये एक रूटीन नहीं है, ये एक फेस वॉश करने का तरीका है. नाउ सिंस द टाइम आई हैव बीन फॉलोइंग दिस वे ऑफ वॉशिंग माई फेस, आई हैव फेल्ट दैट बहुत सारे चेंजेस आए हैं. मोर इम्प्योरिटीज़ आर टेकन अवे, माई फेस लुक्स क्लीनर, इट feels clean, it feels fresh, and eventually जो वो प्रोसेस होता है जिससे हम एक्चुअली अपने फेस से मेकअप एंड अदर डर्ट एंड ग्राइम निकालते हैं, वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव हो गया है. एंड आई हैव ट्राइड दीज फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम and I've got success, so I wanted to share it with you guys here. I wanted to make this video a little chit chat sort of a video, क्योंकि I've already shot 2 videos in the day and मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा थकी हुई हूँ. But I thought if I delay this topic more and more, I don't know when I'll make the video. तो मैंने decide किया कि मैं आपके साथ आज ही ये video shoot करती हूँ, पर I don't have that much energy to put everything very crisp, so let's make it a chit chat sort of a thing. You can leave your comments down in the comment box if you have any questions, if you want to ask me something that is related to your skin, that is related to the kind of face wash that you're using. So I will be very happy to answer that for you. So first up, as you can see, I have makeup on my face. I will start by removing the makeup. Now, irrespective of whatever makeup technique you are going to follow, this step is very important. That step is to first remove all the makeup. जितना भी makeup है, first we will remove it. Now there are 2 ways you can remove, 3 ways actually. You can use a micellar water to remove it, you can use makeup wipes to remove it, or you can use a cleansing cream or a cleansing balm to remove it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be using this Garnier micellar water. I will take a cotton pad and put some of the micellar water on the cotton pad. Just make sure that there is enough of it to wipe off all the makeup. Now I will slowly remove this. Just see this, how dirty on both sides it is. So I have sort of removed most of my makeup. What I'm gonna do next is just pull my hair back So in the first technique, I'm going to be using this Aroma Magic face wash. It's the white tea and chamomile face wash that I will be using. I have spoken about this face wash and I've done a full detailed review on it. I will be linking it up here. So what I'm going to be doing is I will just simply take some of the face wash on my hand. Okay. आप देख रहे हो मैंने अपने फेस पे कुछ भी नहीं लगाया. I have not put any sort of water. I have not wet my face at all. Okay, so I'm gonna take this up dry and I'm gonna put it on my face. Okay, and we're gonna first rub it without any water. Okay. Now this is possible with a liquidy consistency face wash. It's sort of possible with all the face washes. लेकिन in fact अगर आपके पास foam face wash है, if you're using a foaming face wash, it comes out to be even better. Just take a decent amount of foam in your hands. बहुत कंजूसी ना करें उसके साथ. So can you see that all of this white thing is sort of getting soaked into my skin? There. Can you see that there's no face wash left on my face? Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet my hands a little bit. I'm not going to wet my complete hands. I'm just going to take a little bit of water on my fingers and just that much, and I'm gonna start rubbing it in. So can you see this whitish foaming layer that's coming up? I'll just take a little bit more. Since I don't have a tap handy, I'm just dipping my fingers in water. So the amount of water that I have is sort of varied. But can you see here what I'm talking about? And you'll see as you put a little bit of more water, it keeps lathering. Now this is a technique I don't remember, मैंने किसी YouTube channel पर देखी थी और मुझे बहुत ही डिफरेंट लगी थी and I wanted to try. उससे पहले I used to just take my face wash and normally wash it for like 10 seconds, 15 seconds or so. हम सभी इतने impatient होते हैं कि we just want to finish everything quickly. Guys, very important point is the idea here is to keep washing or keep scrubbing or cleansing your face till about 60 seconds. So no less, no more. If you do it beyond 60 seconds, it's going to dry out your face. Especially if you have dry skin, it's gonna further dry your skin. But 60 seconds is the time that is a good enough time to actually clean your face. Now I am taking a lot of water. This time I'm completely wetting my hands and I'm sort of lathering all of it. This is the final stage of washing my face, cleansing my face. Now I'm gonna go into the eyes as well, and I'm just going to quickly lather it all up. For those of you who are not sure कि कितना टाइम में 60 seconds होता है, आप एक टाइमर लगा सकते हो. I know it's going a little overboard, but maybe initially you can start and you will get to know and you will get a hang of kitna time hota hai, 60 seconds. Okay guys, so I'm almost done. I don't want to open my eyes because I have lathered it. I will go and wash my face and come back and I'll show you how my face looks. So now my face is washed. I'm just gonna pat it dry. Just make sure that you're not rubbing the towel like really going very harsh on your face. All you need to do is just dab the towel on your face to remove all the water. This is a very important thing, and बहुत लोग इस पे ध्यान नहीं देते हैं. They just go like all in, rub their face. That's not a good thing to do. So just make sure that you are only dabbing your face. Now I don't know if you can see, but my skin feels very clean. I think it looks very clean. It's not feeling very stretchy or very dry, although we did massage the cleanser in for 60 minutes. So this is one way that you can get a really squeaky clean skin after during your cleansing routine that you do every day. You can do this both in the morning and at night. And trust me guys, जब आप ये technique follow करोगे maybe for a month or 2 months, you'll actually start to feel कि कितनी ज़्यादा साफ़ हो रही है स्किन. जो स्पॉट्स और ब्लेमिशेस हैं वो अपने आप कम होने लगेंगे. you'll अपने आप रियलाइज़ कि इफ़ यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ एक्ने और पिम्पल्स, you will see that this effective cleansing is actually making you break out much less. And moving on to the second technique that I am talking about. Now I already have a cleansed face, but I wanted to show you the second one as well, because मुझे लग रहा है कि अगर मैं इसको रोक के रखूँगी तो ये वीडियो कभी कंप्लीट नहीं होगी. तो मैं ऑलरेडी अपने वॉश्ड फेस पे ही आपको सेकेंड टेक्निक बताऊंगी. ऑल्सो गाइज, द सेकेंड टेक्निक दैट आई एम गोना शेयर विथ यू, दिस इज़ द वन दैट आई नॉर्मली फॉलो. द फर्स्ट वन आई डू फॉलो एज एंड व्हेन आई फील लाइक, बट आई प्रेफर द सेकेंड वन मोर. देयर इज़ नो reason why I prefer it. There's no bias, because I feel both the ways of cleaning your face are equally good. So you can pick and choose. आपको जो भी अच्छा लगता है, जो आपको करना है, आप वो वाला choose कर सकते हो. Just make sure that you're cleaning your face well. So for the second technique, I'm gonna be using the Forest Essential face wash. This is the Mashobra Honey Lemon and Rose Water Delicate Facial Cleanser. Okay, so for the second technique, what I need to do is I need to dampen my face first. I don't have a basin handy, so I'm gonna do it like this. You don't have to foam the face wash in your hands, guys. This is very important. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम इसको हाथ में लेके फिर इसको रगड़ के फिर मुंह पे लगाएंगे. हमें इसको वापस से ऐसे लेना है. You see the amount I'm taking, it's not really a lot. बहुत ही थोड़ा सा लिया है मैंने. If it's required, I'll take more. But I'm just sort of putting it on my face. I'll take a little bit more, but there is no way that I am foaming it on my hands. We don't need to do that, okay? So my face was damp and I'm just foaming the face wash on my face. And that's all we need to do, okay? This does not involve wetting your hands every now and then. It just involves you scrubbing your face, cleansing your face properly. And we need to do this for 60 seconds, okay? Now this time is very crucial. You can stop anytime between 50 to 60 seconds, but just make sure that you are sort of cleansing your face for all that much time. And towards the end of it, you can go in and put it on your eyes as well. So I have been cleaning it for 60 seconds, and now you'll see that almost all of the foam that came out has been absorbed by my skin, and it's been about 60 seconds now. So I'm gonna go and wash my face, and I'm gonna come back. Okay. Hi guys, I'm back and I've washed my face. Once again, you need to pat your face dry. Surprisingly enough, my skin releases a lot of oil during summers, so I am still not feeling very dry even after washing my face twice for 60 seconds almost. So that's like almost 2 minutes of washing my face. Anyway, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Dono hi techniques have really benefited me a lot. I would really appreciate if you come and tell me how it has worked for you. Has it really benefited you in any way or not? Because these are two techniques I absolutely loved. I tried them for a good amount of time, and I decided that they both work, and only then I wanted to share it with you guys. I don't want to share something that does not work for me just to make videos. So this is how it is. And if you did find this video helpful, do give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon. Do follow me on Instagram, guys. Like I told you, I am very active on my Instagram as well, so it would be great to connect with you guys there. You can DM me your questions, and I would love to answer any queries that you might have. Till then, I hope you guys are all safe and doing well, and all the good health to you and your family. Bye. Take care.